Yay, we get to do more proofs. These are so much fun. So we really only have to worry about side, 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 side angle, side. So if they give you an angle's congruent, or you can figure out that an angle's congruent, guess what? You're going to use the side angle side. Also, don't forget that sides can be congruent to themselves. Here's some common errors. I actually really like these. Congruents and equals, you don't want to mix those up. Congruent just means that two objects are the same size and same shape, like angles, segments, triangles, or other type of polygons. Equal signs when you're talking about numbers that have the same value. So if you're talking about measures, those would be equal. And then they give some examples here. Confusing an object with its length or measure. So if you do not have the bar over the line, that's how long it is. It's saying that's a number. It's the length. With the line over it, that's like the name of the line segment. So like also with angles, if you just have the angle symbol, you're just talking about the angle itself. And you have to put a little m in front of it if you're talking about the measure. So those are just some common errors. Basically, we want to put down in our proofs what's given, the two givens. Then we're going to do the side by itself to be the reflexive property, and then we have a side, an angle, and a side, and so we'll finish up the proof that way. Okay, so you always do the givens. So we're going to send these to the proof, send this to the proof, and the last one's the side that's congruent to itself. So we're going to say PR is congruent to PR. Where's the congruent symbol? There we go. Oh, we need to put a line over it. Dang it. How do you? Well, oh, this one. Will it let me do that? Oh, no. Okay, so I'm going to take away these other. There we go. And then here we want to put this PR. Okay, so if you're doing segments like that, you have to put the name of them are congruent. This one is not reflexive. Okay, and then the last, then we can just say they are congruent by, oh no, did I just take away, took away what I had. So let's see, I want to go back. Evidently I had to validate it first. It's good to know these things. See, this is why we have great videos for you. And this is reflexive. I think I have to validate it before. Okay, good. Then I send this to proof and it's SSS because we have 3 sides. So we just find SSS. And do I have to validate it? Okay, validate and then check. Okay. Okay, we'll do another one. Yay. Okay, we're going to send to proof. Okay, we have sides, 2 sides. Now, is the third one going to be, no, it's not going to be a side because ST, VT, RT, U2. Because we can't, RS and VU, those aren't the same. We can't use reflexive. They didn't tell us they were the same. We don't know that, but we can do an angle because of vertical angle. So we could do RTS. So we're going to say the angle RTS is congruent to the angle UTV. Now, I do put, I check the order. So I am doing RTS is first, third, second. So I'm going to do first, third, second, UTV. And that is by vertical angles. Do they have on here? Sweet. So we're going to validate that. And they're going to say, oh, yeah, that's true. So then we send the triangle and we use the side angle side. We validate it, and then it says it's complete, and we go ahead and check to make sure we did it right. And that's the end of the lesson.